Let's be honest, folks. Waking up in the morning can be a real drag. You stumble, bumping into things and desperately searching for that first cup of coffee. And don't even get me started on trying to make coherent conversation before at least 10 a.m. It's a miracle any of us manage to function. We've all been there, right? You hit the alarm clock thinking, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turn into 10, then 20, and suddenly you're scrambling to get ready. But what if I told you there's a better way? Detox smoothies. Now, I'm not one for jumping on every health trend, but let me tell you, detox smoothies are more than just a fad. They're a fantastic way to flood your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all in one easy-to-consume drink. And the best part? They can taste good. Detox smoothies are all about finding the right balance of ingredients to create a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. We're talking leafy greens, vibrant fruits, creamy nut butter, and a dash of spice to keep things interesting. Your body is like a car, and breakfast is its first fuel stop of the day. Would you instead fill your tank with sugary processed junk or a high-performance blend of nutrients? The great thing about detox smoothies is that they're incredibly versatile. You can customize them to your liking using your favorite fruits, vegetables, and other healthy additions. Don't like kale? No problem. Swap it out for spinach or romaine lettuce. The possibilities are endless, and you can experiment with different flavor combinations until you find what works best for you. Got a picky eater in the house? Detox smoothies are a great way to camouflage those nutrient-rich greens and veggies they might otherwise avoid. Okay, let's talk detox. I'm not talking about those crazy juice cleanses where you live off cabbage water for a week. We're talking about giving your body a little extra love and support to help it flush out toxins naturally. Our bodies are amazing machines, constantly working to filter out all the junk we're exposed to. But sometimes our systems can get a little overloaded. That's where detox smoothies come in. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients that support the liver, kidneys, and digestive systems. Incorporating these nutrient-rich drinks into your routine can help your body function at its best. So, how do these superhero smoothies work? Well, it's all about the ingredients. We're talking fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Then, we've got fiber, the unsung hero of the digestive system, helping to keep things moving smoothly. Plus, it helps you feel full and satisfied, which can be a lifesaver when those mid-morning cravings hit. And let's not forget about hydration. Many detox smoothie recipes include ingredients like leafy greens and fruits naturally high in water content. One of the most immediate benefits of incorporating detox smoothies into your routine is a boost in energy. Instead of reaching for that sugary donut, you'll fuel your body with sustained energy from natural sources. Fruits like berries and bananas provide natural sugars that are slowly released into the bloodstream, keeping energy levels stable. And the best part? No more caffeine crashes. Detox smoothies can help reduce your dependence on coffee and sugary drinks. Say goodbye to those afternoon slumps and hello to a more productive, energized you. But the benefits of detox smoothies go beyond just increased energy. Antioxidants help protect your skin from damage caused by pollution, sun exposure, and even stress, leaving you with a healthy, radiant glow. Many detox smoothie ingredients like leafy greens contain vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining healthy hair and nails. So get ready for more robust, shinier hair and nails that are less prone to breakage. Imagine feeling refreshed and energized with clear skin, bright eyes, and a newfound spring in your step. That's the power of a detox smoothie routine. Alright, smoothie enthusiasts, let's kick things off with a classic, the green machine. Picture this. You wake up groggy like a bear coming out of hibernation. You stumble to the kitchen, grab your blender, and toss in a handful of spinach, a frozen banana, a dollop of almond butter, a scoop of protein powder, a splash of almond milk, and my secret weapon, a quarter cup of cooked oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which your body breaks down slowly for sustained energy. Plus, they add a creamy texture that will make you wonder why you haven't been putting oats in everything. Blend it until smooth and creamy, and prepare to conquer your day. Next up, we're jetting off to a tropical paradise. With the Tropical Bliss Smoothie, you'll need a cup of frozen mango chunks for this taste of paradise, a half cup of pineapple chunks, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of shredded coconut, a squeeze of lime juice, and a cup of coconut water. The mango and pineapple provide a double dose of tropical sweetness. Meanwhile, spinach adds a boost of nutrients and a beautiful green hue. The coconut flakes and lime juice add an extra layer of flavor and complexity that will have you saying aloha to your new favorite smoothie. This tropical bliss smoothie is perfect for those mornings when you need a little pick-me-up. Let's talk about the Berry Refresher Smoothie, a true antioxidant powerhouse. That will leave you feeling revitalized. This smoothie is like a burst of sunshine in a glass, packed with vibrant berries. They are as delicious as they are suitable for you. You'll need a cup of mixed berries to whip up this antioxidant-rich delight, a handful of baby spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Berries are like nature's candy but without the guilt trip. They're loaded with antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage, and may even help reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and get ready to feel the antioxidant power. For mornings when you crave something a little more decadent but still want to keep things healthy, the Creamy Dream Smoothie is here to save the day. This smoothie is like a dessert in disguise. Its rich, creamy texture will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your healthy eating goals. The star of this smoothie is the avocado, a nutritional powerhouse often overlooked in the smoothie world. To make this creamy dream a reality, you'll need half a ripe avocado, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a frozen banana, a tablespoon of almond butter, a teaspoon of honey, optional, and a pinch of cinnamon. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and prepare to be amazed. It's the perfect way to indulge your sweet tooth while nourishing your body from the inside out. Lastly, let's talk about the Ginger Zing Smoothie, a digestive delight that will make your gut happy and healthy. This smoothie is like a warm hug for your digestive system. Ginger and turmeric work their magic to soothe inflammation and promote healthy digestion. To create this soothing elixir, you'll need a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a frozen banana, a tablespoon of almond butter, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, peeled and grated, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid. It is known for its ability to soothe nausea, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Turmeric is another potent anti-inflammatory, with a warm, earthy flavor that complements ginger perfectly. Blend it until smooth and creamy, and get ready to feel the ginger zing. This smoothie is perfect for those mornings when you feel under the weather. Remember Popeye the Sailor Man, the guy with the bulging forearms who swore by the power of spinach? Well, it turns out the guy was onto something. Spinach isn't just some leafy green you try to sneak past your kids on their dinner plates. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can make a real difference in your health. Spinach is like the king of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for strong bones and healthy blood clotting. Spinach is also an excellent source of vitamin A, which is crucial for good vision, healthy skin, and a robust immune system. So the next time you whip up a detox smoothie, don't be shy about using spinach. Berries may be small, but don't let their size fool you. These little gems are nutritional powerhouses, bursting with flavor and antioxidants that can help protect your body from disease. Think of them as the superheroes of the fruit world, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. We're talking blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole berry gang's here. Blueberries, for example, are like the brainiacs of the berry world. They are packed with antioxidants that have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Strawberries, on the other hand, are like the beauty queens of the bunch. They are known for their high vitamin C content, which is essential for collagen production and healthy glowing skin. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on berries. Your body will thank you for it. Ginger! That spicy little root that adds a kick to your stir-fries and a warm, comforting flavor to your tea. He is also a digestive superhero in disguise. Ginger has been used for centuries to soothe nausea and promote healthy digestion. Feeling queasy after a big meal, or dealing with indigestion? Instead of over-the-counter antacids, try a natural remedy trusted for generations. Ginger contains gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. They relax digestive muscles and promote digestive juices. Beyond settling an upset stomach, ginger reduces muscle soreness and lowers blood sugar. Add it to your smoothie, brew a cup of tea, or snack on candied ginger. This versatile root is a must-have for a healthy gut. Avocados are creamy, dreamy, and packed with healthy fats that your body will love. Now I know what you're thinking. Fats? But I thought fats were bad for you. Hold on to your hats, folks, because it's time to debunk that myth. Not all fats are created equal. While trans fats, those nasty things found in processed foods, are bad for your health, unsaturated fats, like those found in avocados, are actually essential for a healthy body and mind. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same type of heart-healthy fats found in olive oil and nuts. These good fats have been shown to lower harmful cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even improve brain function. But wait, there's more. Avocados are also a great source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, K, and E. They're like a nutritional multivitamin disguised as a delicious green fruit. So, go ahead and add some avocado to your next detox smoothie, spread it on your toast, or enjoy it sliced with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Your body will thank you for it. Imagine this. Your alarm goes off, but instead of hitting the snooze button, you wake up before it has a chance to trumpet. You spring out of bed feeling energized and ready to greet the day. Incorporating detox smoothies into your routine boosts energy and digestion. It creates a positive ripple effect throughout your day. You'll think more clearly, focus better, and feel motivated. This energy can spill over into other areas of your life. From grumpy Gus to morning sunshine, a detox smoothie testimony. Let me tell you about my friend Mark. Mark used to be the king of grumpy mornings. He'd grumble about everything, especially the lack of coffee. One day I convinced Mark to try my detox smoothie. After a few days, I noticed a remarkable transformation. His dark circles faded, and he started smiling. Mark's energy levels soared. No more endless coffee. He became a morning person, believe it or not, and it all started with a detox smoothie. Unlocking your best self, one smoothie at a time. Incorporating detox smoothies into your morning routine is about more than just physical health. It's about investing in your overall well-being, both inside and out. When you nourish your body with healthy, wholesome foods, you give yourself energy, vitality, and a more positive outlook on life. Think of these smoothies as a way to jumpstart your journey towards a healthier, happier you. It's about creating a ripple effect of positive change that extends beyond your breakfast table and into every aspect of your life. Maybe you'll be inspired to start that workout routine you've finally been putting off, or maybe you'll feel more patient and present with your loved ones. Whatever positive changes you're seeking, incorporating detox smoothies into your daily life can be a decisive first step. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. So why not start your day with a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie and see what amazing transformations await you? Ready, set, blend. So there you have it, folks. Your guide to revitalizing your mornings with the power of detox smoothies. We've discussed the benefits, explored some delicious recipes, and even debunked a few myths. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Don't be intimidated by the thought of whipping up fancy smoothies. These recipes are designed to be simple, easy to follow, and most importantly, delicious. Start with one that catches your eye, and don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavor combinations until you find your perfect blend. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating a detox smoothie into your morning routine a few times a week and see how it makes you feel. You might be surprised at how it can affect your energy levels, digestion, skin, and overall well-being. Join the morning smoothie revolution. Ready to ditch those sluggish mornings and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you? Then join the morning smoothie revolution. It's a movement towards better health, increased energy, and a more positive outlook, starting with one delicious smoothie at a time. Share your smoothie creations with me on social media using #DetoxSmoothieRevolution. Let's inspire each other to make healthy choices and start our days off right. Remember, you deserve to feel your best both inside and out, and it all starts with taking care of yourself, one delicious sip at a time. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your blender, stock up on those nutrient-packed ingredients, and blend. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting facts.